Hi students, I'm your teacher Hazel. I'm your teacher Janalu, and you're watching the most terrific and supersonic student-oriented TV program in town. This is Educational Technology version 2.0. Today, we'll be discussing about the roles and relationships in an ecosystem. In this video, you will know the three categories of organisms and their roles in the processes of the ecosystem. You will also know the different relationships that can be observed in an ecosystem. What's this? Ecosystem is a community of living organisms such as plants and animals in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment, things like air, water, and mineral soils interacting as a system.
The ecosystem consisting of both biotic and abiotic community in which many organisms live interact with each other for survival.
These different organisms in an ecosystem are categorized into three: the producers, the consumers, and the decomposers. These three categories of organisms play a significant role in the processes of the ecosystem.
The so-called producers are the organisms that have the capability to make their own food as well as they provide food to some other organisms. These are the examples.
So-called consumers are those organisms that get food from other organisms in order to survive. They are classified into herbivores, the plant eaters; carnivores, the meat eaters; and the omnivores, the plant and meat eaters.
These so-called decomposers are microorganisms that feed on the dead animals as well as on the animals' well. They break down the remains as the waste of the dead bodies of animals and plants to simple nutrients. This is the example of decomposers.
There are 5 ecological relationships, in which 2 oppositional and 3 symbiotic relationships. The oppositional relationships are predation and competition. The symbiotic relationships are mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism.
Predation. This is where an organism hunts and eats the other organism. The organism hunting is called predator, while the organism being hunted is called prey.
Competition. It is when organisms compete for the same resources. This is a negative relationship because both organisms are harming each other. Mutualism. It is a relationship in which organisms benefit from each other.
Commensalism is a relationship in which organisms benefit from other organisms that is not affected.
Parasitism. It is a relationship in which one organism, the parasite, benefits, while the other, the host, is being harmed. And now, let us review the discussion by answering the following questions. Question number 1. What do you call the organisms that have the capability to make their own food as well as provide food to other organisms? Yes, they are called producers.
Question number 2. What type of relationship in which our organism hunt and eat the other organism? Correct. It is predation, in which that organism hunting is called predator, while the organism being hunted is called prey.
Question number 3. What type of relationship in which one organism, parasite, benefits, while the other, the host, is being harmed? Yes, that's right.
is parasitism. In conclusion, in order to maintain a balanced ecosystem and for all the processes in the ecosystem to occur, all vital components must be present. As the humans, we also contribute to the completion of the processes in the ecosystem. We play a very significant role in maintaining the ecological balance.
Once again, I'm your teacher Hazel.
I'm teacher Janalo,
And this is
Educational Technology version 2.0. Till next time, see ya!
Hey, is this thing on?
Hey, Sid, what do you say? What you want to learn today?
I wanna know why things happen and how, and wanna know everything now. Oh yeah! How does this thing work? Why does that stuff change? How does that do what it just did? What's up with the sky? You think I could